Hey friends, if you wish to open Microsoft Store apps on startup in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So here's what you can do. First of all, right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the apps tab on the list on the left hand side, and there's something called as startups. Now these are mostly Microsoft Store apps. There may be exceptions, but these are actually all Microsoft Store apps, because if they were not, they wouldn't be in this list. For that, you'll have to perform a clean boot to disable them. But as you can see, many of them are disabled, a few of them are enabled. Okay, the ones which are enabled here, I mean the ones which are on, will launch at startup, and the ones which are off will not launch at startup. But let us say that I wish to launch WhatsApp at startup. Okay, let's say better, I want to launch Microsoft Teams at startup. I will simply turn the switch on. Okay, this one phone link app at startup. I will simply turn it on, but here's what will happen. It will still work in the background. Okay, it will still work in the background. So I will also have to change it to power optimized. Okay, was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.